So Mama B and I are meal prepping for the week. I've got 2 HelloFresh meals that came in. Sriracha chicken and some kind of tacos. Let's see. Poblano beef tacos. So.
And I'm making brats with peppers and onions.
Ooh, yummy, yummy. So I've got some sweet potatoes roasting in the oven. Just made the glaze for the chicken. I'm cutting up all the other veggies. We got some broccoli too. So far the sweet potatoes came out of the oven. They were so good. So we just drizzled them with some oil, salt and pepper, and some Mrs. Dash. So I've got those going here. And then Mama B has got the chicken cooking. So once the chicken is cooked through, then we cook the glaze with the scallions and the ginger. And this has sriracha, honey, a different kind of sauce, I forgot. But it's just like a sweet and spicy glaze that's gonna go on the chicken. And then we have some broccoli boiling there too. All right, guys, we are done. Got this sriracha chicken with sweet potatoes and broccoli for 4 of the meals here. This is the taco recipe, so there's poblano peppers in it and lean beef, but you could use turkey, and then cilantro rice. And then these are gonna be made for tacos, so I have tortillas and the fixings separate from the containers. And then we got some brats and peppers for the guys. These are onions and peppers. Good morning, it's Monday. I am exhausted. I wanted to show you my shirt though, this like crisscross design. It's from Express. Someone's pulling up behind me. I'm on my way to work, or I just left for work. And yeah, I'm going to the gym today. I have put together, sorry it's so bright. I put together a routine that I'm going to try to follow this week because I have been really slacking on working out. So it is Tuesday, and I just wanted to quickly come on here and show you my makeup and what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing this dress from Target. I've shown it to you guys before, I'm pretty sure. It's so comfortable, and some tights for work today. And I straightened my hair because I washed it last night. A couple of you have been asking like, well, you want more information about my job. So pretty much long story short, I started working for a cosmetic surgeon again. It's not completely full-time, but I do work there at least 4 days a week. And then I've been doing surgery scheduling, treatment coordinating, patient management kind of thing. As if you guys have been with me for a while, I used to work at a different plastic surgeon, excuse me, plastic/cosmetic surgeon's office and like med spa. And then I got in my accident and I just couldn't find like a place to work like that again. It's actually really hard to get into cosmetic surgeon's office because usually people love it and they stay. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I gotta get going to work now. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm wearing this jacket too from Old Navy. It's so soft. I don't know if you can tell that the material is like super soft. It's so cozy. It's not really that cold today. It's like 50 degrees this morning, and then it's supposed to be in the high 60s today, so it'll be so beautiful. I wish I could just be outside all day. Look what I got in the mail today. It's from L'Oreal. It says Rouge Signature. I am worth it. And it's these amazing new lippies that I said I wanted to try. So I'm really excited that they sent me them. They're called Rouge Signature. So it says Signature Matte Colored Ink. Matte lip color that delivers the weightless feel of stain combined with the high color impact of a liquid lipstick. Ultra comfortable, non-drying feel, and a lasting matte finish. Available in 12 shades. These are the 12 shades. It is Thursday, and I curled my hair today because I just felt like it needed a little something. I'm wearing a L'Oreal new lippy that I showed you guys that they sent me. This is in the shade I Create, I believe. You know what? I don't see. Yeah. Create. It's such a beautiful color, and this is supposed to be long wearing, so I'll let you guys know what I think of it as yeah, as I wear it today. Duh. I just have my sweater dress on that has like the cutout sleeves, and so yeah, all right. So I just ended up filming a lip swatch and full review video for you guys of these new L'Oreal Rouge Signature. I cannot remember the name of these to save my life. Rouge Signature lip colors. These stain, and they are
definitely hard to remove. Yeah, I think these stains are gonna be permanent for a day or so. This ring Gavin gave me from school today, isn't it so cute for Valentine's Day? Definitely not a color I would always wear, but I tried on all 12 colors for you guys, gave you a full detailed review and lip swatches and hand swatches. So that should be up next week. And then I also filmed a what's in my bag with my new Neverfull from Louis. So that should be up next week too.
So I want to share some fun new goodies with you guys. First off, this Kisses Rae Dunn canister. Got from a friend here in Arizona. It was found at Marshall's. In case any of you are Rae Dunn lovers like I am. I love that canister. I also am so obsessed with the red handle. There are some Easter ones out right now with light pink handles like that. You know that that is on my in search of list. And then also over here, Gavin kept like trying to find sugar all the time in the house for his like, what was it, his Rice Krispies. So I found this adorable Rae Dunn little sugar holder at Home Goods. No, actually, I'm sorry. I also found this at Marshall's. It was only $5. And it's so cute. There's also a cream little canister that goes with this, but I did not see it quite yet. Right now there's brown sugar in there. So that's the latest additions of Rae Dunn in the house. I can't believe my stained hand. I don't know if I showed you guys, but this was the finished little coffee station. There's stuff all over here. I also had 2 things come in the mail today, and I got some early Valentine's roses from Chris. They're so beautiful. I had to share those really quick since I'm going to be talking about Valentine's. So give your skin some love from Derma E. Derma E for sure is one of my favorite skincare brands because they are cruelty-free. They have really good ingredients in their products. They're 100% vegan, and they really work. Their products really, really do work. So this is the Radiant Glow Face Oil with jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. I love sea buckthorn oil. It really works well for my skin. I've been loving incorporating oil with another moisturizer on my skin for the winter, and so I can't wait to try that. And then this is the Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser with vitamin A and glycolic acid. I like that it has a pump for a cleanser, and I'm pretty sure that my mom's used this and really liked it before. I don't think that's new. Maybe I'm thinking of something else. Also, oh my goodness. This is from Lancôme. I got it from Octoly and Lancôme for review purposes. And it's the Starlight Sparkle Iridescent Gold Highlighter. It is limited edition, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at this packaging. Are you kidding me? So beautiful. It's very lightweight because, oh, look how pretty that is. Do you see all of that highlight magic? So you're just supposed to dust your brush over the top of this to apply the highlighter. It's definitely very fancy and absolutely beautiful, but you obviously are getting a lot less of product. Let's see if it tells you how much product you're getting. I honestly don't believe that it's even 1.9 grams, 0.67 ounces. I don't even know if that is the amount in this, but it is so, so beautiful that if you are a makeup lover, I totally get it if you want to get this. Now, they did have one that was more of like a pink champagne-ish color. This one is more of a gold, so let me show you. So that is the highlight right there. So, so beautiful. So I wanted to show you guys that I'm wearing my Louis today for the very first time. Well, I'm wearing her out, I should say, for the very first time. And I have my little like army cargo jacket on from Torrid. I love this one. I don't know if you can see the sleeve detail on the left there. Oh, you can see it in that mirror. I have a Band-Aid on because I really need to go and get my nails done. But I don't know when I'm doing that. I have to go grocery shopping for Super Bowl. Ignore what's back there because that's being sold on OfferUp right now. But I ran out of vases because I packed them all like a silly goose. So Chris got me these cute flowers, I think last weekend. And then he brought me the roses. These are perfect roses, they're called, because I found out they're perfect because they don't have any thorns on them.
And they also bud so beautiful. So I put them in a little lemonade carafe instead. This has been my favorite energy drink because, first of all, it's peach mango, so I love it. It's 0 calories, and it's supposed to be better for you, like a little more natural, and I really love it. So we're here at Home Goods, and they have all these cute Easter things out. I think these bunnies are cute. I like that sign, too. I'm gonna have that. These are cute too. So Mama B and I are at Home Goods. Oh, we've got to go over there. She might have some good stuff in there.
Following.
So we found this awesome farmhouse sign today. It has galvanized metal on the back and like distressed lettering for the kitchen. And then we found a bunch of cute Easter decor. This is Mom's too. This is like a drying mat. But we found a couple Ray Dunn plates. This one that says Gone Hunting with the Bunnies. And then there's another one underneath that says Hip Hop. And then also found these little guys that you put eggs in. It's more for display. And then we found these little gnomes for Easter. This is a little guy. And it's more for like spring. And this guy with the wobbly legs. Oh, one more thing. We got this garlands.
So I decided to go to the nail salon tonight and not wait any longer because it is driving me nuts, this Band-Aid, and my nail still keeps being pulled back even with the Band-Aid on. I didn't film, but Mama B and I did go to grocery shopping. We do it together. I don't know why we do it together, to be honest. Sometimes we go to Costco or somewhere like that where we like to split our groceries. Today we went to Winco and just got separate carts and yeah, just shopped together. It's just more fun that way. And Chris had stuff to do with his family today. He's actually helping his brother move. And so I got like a lot of errands done while he's doing that. So that's why I decided to go ahead and go and fix my nail right now and get my nails done. Because tomorrow's Super Bowl and we're going to be busy doing that and like making yummy food and stuff like that, which will be on next week's vlog. But I will definitely show you guys my nails. These are 3 weeks grown out right now. So yeah, I'm ready for a change.
So it's now pretty dark out, but I wanted to show you guys my nails still. So the light pink color, this color here is called Baby Girl, and the sparkle is called Forgotten Pink. And then I got little hearts on the rest of my nails. I hope you can see that. I'll try and take a picture too so you can see it a little better.